Music Workshop's Latin American Music course leads students on an exciting journey through this culturally rich region. Students experience a wide variety of thrilling sights and sounds that make up the many styles of Latin American music. They'll visit countries including Colombia, where students discover cumbia and vallenato music. In Argentina, they'll learn about the tango. Arriving in Brazil means it's time for some samba. Mexico showcases ranchera and, of course, some marvelous mariachi music as well. They'll listen to Mambo and Cha-Cha-Cha in Cuba. And in Puerto Rico, they'll experience Bomba and Plena. And there's so much more. Courses also include fascinating fun facts that combine music and culture in surprising ways. And students will learn about traditional music and artists, as well as the more familiar modern artists. In addition to plenty of great music, students are given a bit of history and a lot of cool information about traditional and modern instruments. Every course also includes a music and life lesson where students are given the time to sit quietly and fully immerse themselves in a piece of music. Then they share their feelings about that piece of music with others. Music Workshop's Latin American music courses are indeed full of engaging music education elements that will inspire students of all ages. Create your free account at musicworkshop.org.